Welcome kids, let's learn some new words. Today we are going to learn words that having I. Get ready for some fun with picture cards. First word that I am going to show you is, let's focus and read with me. Read it as lie.
It has a diagraph IE. Other word is tie. Now read this word as pie.
Focus on the diagraph IE. Now read this word sieve.
Now read with me tried. Tried also has a diagraph IE. Now read this word as spies. Now read with me skies. Read another word thief.
Focus and read the word thief. It also has a diagraph IE.
Now read this word tries. Read now replied. Okay, now read this as relief. Read another word which is shield.
Shield also has a diagraph IE.
Read this word as flies. Now read this word receipt. Read another word which is peace. Read now cried. Then read dried. Focus on the diagraph IE. Read this word fierce. Now you read belief.
Belief also has a diagraph IE.
Read this word now chief. Now read with me supplied. Now you read another word which is friend.
Kids, we have seen some words with I. Now let's look at some sentences having the diagraph I in it.
The first sentence is, the girl lay quietly in her bed. Now read this one, the chief stood proudly in front of the tribe. Now read he tried to catch a fish. See another sentence. She made a pie for her friend. Now read the thief ran through the alley with the bag of jewels.
That's all for today. In this video we have learned diagraph I words and sentences.
I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe.